Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about the importance of pseudocode. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Importance of pseudocode. Pseudocode plays a crucial role in the development process of algorithms and programs. Here are some reasons why it's important. Number one, clarity in understanding. Pseudocode serves as a bridge between human language and programming language. It allows developers to express the logic of an algorithm or program in a format that is easier to understand than formal programming. Syntax. This clarity aids in communication among team members and stakeholders. Number 2, algorithm design and planning. Before diving into writing actual code, pseudocodes helps in conceptualizing the solution to a problem. It allows developers to focus on the logic and structure of the algorithm without being distracted by syntax details. This planning phase can lead to more efficient and effective implementation. Number 3, portability and flexibility. Pseudocode is not tied to any specific programming language, making it portable across different platforms and environments. This flexibility allows developers to explore multiple approaches in algorithms before committing to a particular implementation. Number 4, debugging and troubleshooting. By breaking down the problem into smaller steps using pseudocode, developers can identify potential issues and errors in the logic before writing actual code. This proactive approach can save time and effort in the debugging process later on. Number 5, educational tool. Pseudocode is often used as a teaching tool in computer science courses to introduce students to algorithmic thinking and problem-solving techniques. It provides a simplified way to explain complex concepts without getting bogged down in a language-specific syntax. Number 6, documentation and maintenance. Pseudocode can serve as documentation for algorithms and programs, helping future developers understand the rationale behind certain design choices. It also aids in the maintenance process by providing a high-level overview of the code's functionality. In summary, pseudocode is an invaluable tool in the software development process, facilitating clear communication, effective planning, and efficient problem solving. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on the importance of learning or using pseudocode in computer programming or software development. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.